I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying identities and eligibility. This prevents delays. Once you have both ID and the SIM ICSID, call or log into the carrier portal. Make sure the account has no outstanding holds and that the line is unlocked for transfer. Ask the new owner to be present or reachable for consent. Many carriers require active confirmation. Begin the transfer option in account settings or request the specific transfer form from support so you can complete required fields immediately. Now you fill and submit the detailed transfer form. Enter accurate names, DOB ID numbers, and the SIM ICSID. Errors cause rejections. Select whether the SIM moves to a new account or merges with an existing one, and note any plan or billing changes. Upload clear scans or photos of ID and a signed consent. If the portal rejects files, compress to under allowed MB limits. Once submitted, watch email or SMS for a confirmation code and next step instructions from the carrier. Finish by verifying activation with the new owner. They should receive an SMS or email confirmation and possibly an activation code. Once activated, test voice, SMS, and mobile data to ensure services work. Check the first bill to confirm correct plan and charges. If any features stopped, re-enable them in settings. If the transfer fails or the SIM shows inactive, contact carrier support with your transfer ID, timestamps, and screenshots. This speeds resolution and helps identify whether verification or provisioning stalled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.